And so the managerial organization is that there are two people who are permanently stay here, Mr. Debley and Mr. Chiwan, who normally are here. And when we operate the machine, they gain allowance, so their labor 25,000 ម្នាក់អត់ទេកូនម្នាក់ក្នុងមួយតោនអត់ទេគិតមួយតោនស្រូវហ្មងតោនស្រូវពីណាម្នាក់ក៏ដោយណាបាទម្នាក់ដែរ so they calculated 2,500 I think around $6 per ton for like the labor cost so they don't care about how many people but per ton is around $6.1 $2.2 ពេលយើងកាន់បានហ្នឹងគឺក្នុងការដឹកជញ្ជូនលើកដាក់ឡានលើកចុះពីឡានក៏ដែលយើងកាន់បានហ្នឹងគឺយើងគិតជើងក្នុងមួយជើងហ្នឹងគឺ 4,000 and then after they mill so the lifting cost lifting and put drop down so $10 per ton មួយជើងoh no per ton per time per ហើយការកាន់នេះគឺជាទូទៅយើងមិនកាន់ជាប្រចាំថ្ងៃទេដោយសារស្រូវយើងជាស្រូវអាសរីរាង្គហ្នឹងគឺយើងអត់មានអាទីផ្សារកសិផលនៅភ្នំពេញហ្នឹងអញ្ចឹងពេលណា So we cannot operate every day because our organic paddies rye we mill based on the order from Sidak's market ហើយជាទូទៅគឺក្នុងការSo we only record every time each operation we recorded paddies, mill rice bran, broken rice and husks. Generally by the end of the year we close the account, we close the balance. Therefore, so far we our business plan and our big challenges is the revolving fund. Because the purchasing this paddy rice. We did not have enough direct payment to pay to the members. So most of them get debt. But for the debt, we calculated every month about 20 real income per kg every month. So like I don't know how many to pay real. Pay real ប្រហែលជា20 real នឹង 0.1 Oh too small but because of many so បាទហើយអញ្ចឹងបានន័យថាបើសិនណាជាយើងកាន់ទៅទីផ្សារឆាប់លុយទីផ្សារហ្នឹងបង្វិលឲ្យមកក៏យើងចំណាយថ្លៃដើមហ្នឹងចំណេញបានច្រើន So if we can do if we can operate quickly that if the demand from the market is quickly and then we pay back quickly that is we can do it better because we pay less than about the capital ប៉ុន្តែយើងមានផែនការចំនួនតាំងពីឆ្នាំ 2016 ហ្នឹងទៅយើងគិតថាយើងនឹងពង្រីកផ្សារដោយខ្លួនឯងហើយយើងបោះសវ But we have planned that from 2016 we will expand our markets by our own with our own with our own brand because also the number of producers is increasing ហើយយើងធ្វើការជាមួយ SNN ហ្នឹងគឺ SNN ហ្នឹងទាំងក្រុមប្រសាបាលទាំងនាយកទាំងបុគ្គលិកហ្នឹងគឺបានមានកំណត់មួយរៀបចំ So FNN both the secretariat staff and BOD we already have planned and already contacted with the other markets especially the supermarkets and other Thank you